Welcome to the Vincennes University Shake Library. In this video, we will show you how to access and use your library account. Have you ever forgotten when your library books were due, or if you have any fines? Have you ever searched our catalog and wished there was a way to keep track of what you found? Well, you're in luck, because as a VU student, you have your own library account. All VU students, faculty, and staff have their own library account.
You can get to our website by either typing in the address vinu.libguides.com/shakelibrary or by clicking the link on the library's card in VUX.
Once there, click My Library Account. Clicking the link will take you to the login screen. Once there, simply type in your username and password. After you've logged in, you will be able to see what books you have checked out, placed on hold, and if you have any overdue fines. You can also renew your books here by clicking Renew Items. Please note that you can only do this once. Logging into your library account also gives you extra perks when searching our catalog, 1VU. When searching 1VU, if you look up at the top of the results screen, to the right of the search bar, you will see a button that says Sign In. If you have not already logged into your library account, you can click this button to do so. Once you've signed in, the button will be replaced with your name. Clicking your name will give you access to your account and show you the other actions you can take, such as importing to and creating lists, and viewing your saved searches. To save a search, click on Save Search on the right of the screen. Then click Save on the pop-up screen. To view saved searches, click on the Saved Searches option in the Account drop-down. To save only specific items, click on the Save icon by each result. You can view these by clicking on Saved Items. This is only temporary though, and they will be deleted shortly after you log out. To keep them for later reference, you want to save them to a list. To do so, select the items you want to save, then choose Create List. Give your list a simple name and description, then hit Save. If you've already created a list, then choose Move instead. If you want to learn more about Shake Library and the services we offer, you can watch some of our other videos, like how to use 1VU and holds and ILLs, which are located on our YouTube page, The Shake Library. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.